Hello Moto. Well, memorable ad campaigns aren't the only thing Motorola is famous for. Welcome to Tech2. This is Amber Banerjee and I am at the launch event of the new Moto G6 and G6 Play smartphones. So let's get straight into the specifications and price of these budget smartphones that Motorola has just launched today in India. So let's start with the Moto G6 that I have in my hand. It comes with a 5.7-inch FHD display that has an 18:9 aspect ratio and a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel configuration dual camera at the back. The G6 is also coming with a 16 megapixel front camera with flash. It is said that this selfie camera also has a low light mode. And it also works for the face unlock feature. As you can see, the G6 has a glass back. This is a scratch resistant Gorilla Glass. I just love the way it reflects the light even in this dark blue shade is very attractive. The 1.8 GHz Snapdragon 450 does duty in the G6 and everything is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. Of course, the G6 also gets Motorola's turbo power charging technology. It was announced that the Motorola G6 is going on sale as an Amazon exclusive from midnight today. The 3GB 32GB Moto G6 will cost you rupees 13,999. You can also check out other launch offers that will be available during the initial sale period. Also remember to check out the in-depth review of the Motorola G6 on our website. Now I have in my hand the smaller Motorola G6 Play, but the good thing is that even the G6 Play gets a 5.7-inch HD display that has a 18:9 aspect ratio. It is running Android 8.0 and gets the Snapdragon 430 chipset. Both the G6 and G6 Play have dual SIM capability. This one also comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera with flash. It's not just that, the G6 Play even gets a more powerful 4000 mAh battery and is also the more affordable one at rupees 11,999 for a 3GB 32GB variant. But the G6 Play will be available as a Flipkart exclusive only. So that was a rundown on the specs and features of the new G6 and G6 Play. To know much more about the G6, check out our website and read the in-depth review of the Moto G6. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Right now, this is Amber Banerjee signing off.